Hello inner gardeners, wonderful people, welcome back to another video. So yeah, I washed my hair this morning and it's still not dry. I don't like to hair dry my hair because it gets even more fluffy when I do this, so you know, you gotta deal with it for today, or I gotta deal with it. I came across another quote that really struck me, as it relates very well to the times we are living in. So I'm gonna read it for you. Once again, I'm gonna read something, but that's a big surprise. So I'm gonna read it to you, and afterwards I'll talk about it a little bit. It's from C.S. Lewis, and it goes like this. Of all the tyrannies, a tyranny sincerely exercised for the good of its victims may be the most oppressive. It would be better to live under robber barons than under omnipotent moral busybodies. The robber baron's cruelty may sometimes sleep. His cupidity may at some point be satiated, but with those who torment us for our own good will torment us without end, for they do so with the approval of their own conscience. They may be more likely to go to heaven, yet at the same time likelier to make hell on earth. This very kindness stings with intolerable insult. To be cured against one's will, and cured of states which may not be regarded as a disease, is to be put on a level of those who have not yet reached the age of reason, or those who never will. To be classed with infants, imbeciles, and domestic animals. So I guess it's quite clear why this resonated with me in these times. We can obviously see it with the corona crisis, how we are treated. And I personally don't think that these people will go to heaven, but that's another story. But I've seen it unfold on other topics as well in the previous years and still going on. Like cancel culture, that's going on. People are being censored, deplatformed, fired from their jobs. For things they talk about online, or yeah. And these people who are censoring and who are deplatforming and who are getting those people fired, they think they're doing a good thing. They, from my understanding, they somehow feel oppressed, or they feel like they are the morality police. They know what is the best, and yeah. It's just very confusing. It's the upside down world in 2020. These people somehow they feel oppressed. Maybe they are, but and in that way they turn out to be the exact people that they despise for the wrong reasons, I think. So yeah. And now it's being systemized in a whole other way, and so many people accept it. I think people just got used to it, that they don't really know what's good for them. They lack faith in their own moral compass or their own personal leadership. And yeah, it's hard to go against the grain and speak out against this, I guess. I find it hard too sometimes, but I'll do it anyway. So yeah, that was something that is bothering me lately, and I thought this quote formulated it much better than I could, so. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and like this video, leave a comment if you agree with me or disagree. That's all fine. We can talk about it. If you're polite, of course. And don't try to police me. So yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye!